In today's video, I'll teach you how to change your name on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change your name, you'll have to go to the settings. For that, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings and privacy that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, tap on this option settings. Now you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. Over here you can see the option for account center at top. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option profiles and personal details. Now tap on your Facebook profile. Now what you have to do is tap on this option name that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to change your name. You can see over here you can change the first name, middle name and last name. So what you have to do is tap on the filter first name. Now erase the initial name. Now enter the new name over here. Likewise, you can also enter the middle name. Likewise, you can also edit the last name. Now once you do that, tap on this option review change that you can see on the screen. Now you can choose how your name will appear on your profile. Simply tap on the option of your choice and tap on this option save changes. Now you can see over here your name has been updated successfully. Keep in mind now you'll not be able to change your name within 60 days. So like this you will be able to do it. So that is how you change your name on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.